Welcome to Emilak online tutorial. Now let us consider this Olympiad math challenge question, and it says if x raised to the power of 2 minus y raised to the power of 2 equals 24. Now x, the product of x and y is 35. So what is the value of x plus y? Now first of all, let us simplify this first expression. Let us recall that a raised to the power of 2 minus b raised to the power of 2, according to the rule of algebraic expansion, this will give us a plus b into a minus what? B. Now, which is also called the difference of two squares. Now, if I have to apply this rule to this rule, to this expression above, then we get to have that x plus y into x minus y, which equals to what? 24. Alright, now the next thing we need to do here is let us raise both the right and the left hand side by 2. And what do I mean by that? So here we have x plus y in bracket x minus y in bracket, all in square bracket, raised to the power of 2, then equals to 24 raised to the power of what? 2. Okay, so and with this now let us know, according to the law of indices, now which says if you have, let me say, x y all raised to the power of 2, it implies x raised to the power of 2 y raised to the power of what? 2. Now if you are to use this law here, so we should be having here x plus y all raised to the power of 2, then into x minus y all raised to the power of 2, all equals to 27. Now 24 square here give us 576. Okay, now if we are to expand individually this, now by expanding this we have x raised to the power of 2 plus 2xy now plus y square, right? And if I were to expand this one also, this will be x square then minus 2xy then plus y square then equals to 576. Now let us also recall that from the question we are told that xy equals what? 35. Now from here let us now plug in the value of what? Xy. And by so doing, here we have x raised to the power of 2 then plus, now in this case take note that this is 35 and this is 35. So when we multiply 2 times 35, you have 70 then plus y raised to the power of 2 then into x raised to the power of 2, then here minus 70 again plus y raised to the power of 2 then equals to 576. Okay, so and at this point now looking at this now, we can also equate this expression. Now take note that this give us this. Now and if you look at this expression also, we can also liken it also to become this again, right? So looking at this here, let us do like this: x raised to the power of 2 plus y raised to the power of 2 plus 70 then into x raised to the power of 2 plus y raised to the power of 2 minus 70 then equals to 576. Okay, so at this point now we can now look at this and this and this. Now if you look at this now, just looking at this now, you can see that this is the same thing as a here now plus 70, right? Now this one a here and 70. Okay, now this expression now is the same thing, which means we can revert it to this one now, which implies that our a is x squared plus y, right? Then our b is 70, then our a is what? X squared plus y, and our b is what? 70. So here we can now say this is x plus y all raised to the power of 2, right? Then minus 70 raised to the power of 2 equals to 576. Okay, right. So we're at this point now. Let us now take negative 70 raised to the power of 2 to the right hand side. So here we have, permit me to divide this board like this. So here we have x raised to the power of, x plus y, all raised to the power of 2, then equals 576. Now plus, now if we raise this is just same thing as saying 70 times 70. 7 times 7 give us what? 49. And how many zeros? You have 2. So here you have 4900. Okay, now and if you are to add that two together here, now you have that should be 5476. So here you have x plus y all raised to the power of 2 give us 54. Let me punch my calculator. 5476. So 5476. Okay, now for us to remove this square here, we just square root both sides. That will be x plus y all raised to the power of 2, then equals to, now square rooting both sides here. Here you have 5476. Okay, all right, and this we eliminate this, so we are left with what? X plus y. So I'll give you plus or minus, let me punch calculator. That should be 74. Okay, so now at this point now, oh, I guess there is an error here. Here you should have square here, square here, sorry, square here, square here, square here, square here, square here, square here. So you have square here and square here. Sorry, and thank God I actually noticed that on time. So here you have x squared plus y squared, then equals plus or minus 74. Okay, now let us also recall that according to the law, algebraic law, if you have that x plus y all raised to the power of 2, okay, let me not use x plus y, let me just use a and b so that it will have a clear meaning. Let us recall that if you have a plus b all raised to the power of, expanding this will give us a square plus 2ab now plus b square. Okay, now which will also give us that a plus b all raised to the power of 2 will give us a square plus b square plus 2ab, which means I rearrange the right hand side. Now this now can also be represented for x and y, okay, which implies that x plus y all raised to the power of 2 will also give us x square now plus b, that y square, then plus 2ab, 2xy. Now if you have to make x square plus y square the sort of relation, so here we have, okay, here we have x plus y all raised to the power of 2, then bringing positive 2xy to the left hand side, you have minus 2xy, then equals what? X square plus y square. Okay, now and take note that x square plus y square equals to this, and the same x square plus y square is plus or minus 74. Okay, now if that be the case, now we can now also do this, plugging in this for this. So here we have x plus y all raised to the power of 2, then minus 2xy equals plus or minus 74. Now also recall from the question that xy equals to 35. Now which implies we can plug in 35 for xy here. So when we multiply, we have that x plus y all raised to the power of 2, then minus 70 equals plus or minus 74, which will give us x plus y all raised to the power of 2. Now taking negative 70 to the right hand side, we have plus or minus 74 plus what? 70. Okay, all right. Now if that be the case now, so we can now say here that x plus y all raised to the power of 2 will now give us now, which implies 74 plus 70. Now for the first sign, or which will this give us 144, right? Or we have x plus y all raised to the power of 2, which will give us, now using the second sign, I mean minus 74 plus 70, and minus 74 plus 70, this one should give you minus 4. Okay, now these are the two expressions gotten from the above question. Okay, so from the first, here we can have x plus y now raised to the power of 2 equals what? 144, right? Now if I were to eliminate the square from here, we have it that this will be, okay, let's just find the square root. The square root of 144. So here we have, this is x plus y, now give us plus or minus 12, right? Okay, now the next one, for this one, here we have x plus y. Now finding the square root again, so here we have the square root of negative what? 4. Now this will eliminate this. Okay, now take note that this, we have that x plus y will now give us so here we have negative 1 times 4. Okay, right. Now this is according to the law of surd, that if you have a times b is the same thing as saying a times, I mean the square root of a times the square root of what? B. And you know you can, this could also be minus 1 times 4, which will give us what? Minus 4. Okay, all right. So with this now, this now will now be I plus or minus 2. So x plus y now give us plus or minus 2i, and x plus y equals plus or minus what? 12. Okay, so now here is this. So x plus y will give us plus or minus 2i, or x plus y will give us what? Plus or minus 12. All right, that is the value. And if you love what I've just done, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos in physics and mathematics. Thank you and God bless you.